How to download Black Myth Wukong on PC. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this tutorial. In your PC, launch a Steam application. If you have not logged in into your Steam account, make sure to log in your Steam. To download your Black Myth Wukong, at the top in the search bar, type in Black Myth Wukong. You will find various editions of it, so go ahead and select the one that you prefer. As you can see, it will cost you $59.99 USD. If you select the Digital Deluxe Edition, you'll be charged with $69.99. Just tap on Add to Cart and select on View My Cart option. Make sure you select only your Black Myth Wukong. After which, tap on Continue to Payment. Now to move forward with your payment, select on your payment method. In the case of credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiration date, and your security code, along with your billing information. And that is how you can download your Black Myth Wukong on PC. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.